Welcome to my YouTube channel, Esther Uwadia channel. Today's recipe, I will be preparing stew with these ingredients. Come with me and let's get started. Today I have my groundnut oil. I have my bell pepper slicing one. I have my tomatoes. I have onions. I have my goat meat. I have my nutmeg, thyme. I have my fish. I have my slicing onions. I have my seafood. I have my oyster. I have my egg, pepper, Maggi cube for taste, salt for taste. Let's get started. It's time for me to blend my bell pepper and tomatoes. Hello guys, it's time for me to boil my tomatoes. As you can see, after adding my blended tomatoes, I will add my salt. After adding my salt, I will add my onion. I will add onions for the boiling of the tomatoes. After adding my onions, I will add my Maggi cube. After adding my Maggi cube, I will give him a total stirring. Keep on stirring. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Esther Uwadia. Press the notification button, share and like. Hello guys, it's time for me to add my goat meat. Okay, this is my goat meat for the preparation of the delicious stew. Keep on watching. Hello guys, this is my goat meat. As you can see, it's boiling. This is my fried fish. As you can see, this is my tomatoes. As you can see, keep on watching for the preparation of the delicious stew. So guys, it's time for me to stew my delicious stew. Okay, and I will add onions. After adding my onions, I will leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will add my boiling tomatoes. Keep on watching guys. After adding my boiling tomatoes, I will give him a total stirring. Okay, keep on watching. After adding my tomatoes, I will add some curry and thyme. Okay, this is my curry. After adding my curry, I will add my Maggi cube. After adding my Maggi cube, I will give it a total stirring. Keep on stirring. So guys, it's time for me to add my meat. After adding my goat meat, I will give it a stir, a total stir. It's time for me to add my fish. After adding my fish, I will give it a stir, a total stir. It's time for me to add my eggs. After adding it, I will give him a stir. After adding my egg, after stirring it, I will add my seafood and oyster. I will give him a stir. Keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Esther Uwadia channel. Share and like. Hello guys, this one I still look like. Come with me and let's eat it together. Hello guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Esther Uwadia channel. I will be bringing you a new recipe. Okay guys, this is the end of my delicious stew. subscribe. See you next time with another recipe like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Esther Uwadia channel. Come with me and let's eat it together. See you next time with another recipe like this. Bye. These are my delicious stew look like. See you next time with another recipe like this. This is the end of my delicious stew with Mustard, egg, goat meat, and fish and seafood. See you next time with another recipe like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Esther Uwadia channel. See you next time with another recipe like this. Bye. Hello guys, this is the end of my delicious stew. See you next time with another recipe like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Esther Uwadia channel. Share and like. Press the notification button. Bye.